InDesign tutorial. So in this tutorial you will learn how to zoom and pan. So my document is here. You can either use the magnifying glass right here, one click, click and drag, hold, drag, zoom in, whichever area you want, or click, click and drag. Yeah. Or you can just simply hold Alt to zoom out and click, click, click. Another way, another shortcut should I say, is zooming in. If you hold down the Command or Control button and then press plus, plus. And if you want to pan, Selection tool, hold down spacebar, and then you can move it. There you go. Pan across, pan down, wherever you want to go. Okay. There you go. That's how you zoom and pan in InDesign.